Today sharing the best-selling Bridgelux COB LED chips. Bridgelux Gen 8 V4 HD LED. Gainer LED focus on LED components distribution for 14 years. This product is a compact high-flux density light source with an efficiency of 130 for Elm or W typical, offering uniform high-quality illumination. It operates with low-voltage DC, providing instant light with unlimited dimming. This COB chip is more energy efficient than incandescent, halogen, and fluorescent lamps, making it a top choice for many manufacturers. As a distributor of Bridgelux, Gainer LED guarantees all products are 100% genuine. Each LED chip has a QR code on the back for verification.